Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a discontinued Wenger Swiss Army knife called the Highlander. And the Highlander is actually a little bit less discontinued than you might think. This is the Highlander, and this is the Evo 11, or the Evolution 11 by Victorinox. And it's one of those knives that sort of survived the transition of Wenger being absorbed by Victorinox. So to take a quick look at the knife, it's got the super menacing, angry Wenger can opener, which I gotta say it does look fairly aggressive. And they didn't keep it for the other version, for the updated version. This is the Wenger can opener versus the Evo 11 can opener. And then you have the bottle opener flathead screwdriver. And again, there's a little bit of a change between the two. It switched over to the... Actually, this one didn't. I thought it did. So they kept the distinctively shaped Wenger bottle opener. Let me show you the Victorinox one real quick, and we can compare. See, this is a Victorinox one, and for a quick comparison, so actually they don't look that much different. There's just the minor size difference of the 85 versus the 91 millimeter. For some reason I thought that one was a bit more different. I don't know what I'm thinking about that. So you got those on the Highlander and the Evo 11. Now, one thing that is different, well, let me show you the other ones. You have the small nail file, and you have the small nail file. So you keep both of those from the Highlander and the Evo 11. So you keep both of those, and you keep the large blade, which I believe is... Oh! Ha! Well, that's a difference. So it's the Serrated Highlander. I didn't realize that. So one big difference here is the serrated blade on the Highlander versus the normal blade on the Evo 11. If I remember correctly, these come as either serrated or not serrated. So this one happens to be serrated. I don't know. Kind of interesting. I'm sort of... I don't know how I feel about the serrated Swiss Army knife blades. I mean, they're super sharp, and I think they do a decent job, but I just don't know if I'm super crazy about those. Now, these both have the Phillips head screwdriver on the bottom, and you can, you get the, it's positioned where you can get a really good grip on it. And they have the awl, and this one has the traditional Wenger awl. And let's see if this one has that. This one looks like it has a Victorinox awl on it. Yeah, this one has the Victorinox awl. And I probably mentioned it in other videos, but of all the things I've ever cut myself with on a Swiss Army knife, the worst cut I ever got was when I cut myself with one of these awls. Because this edge right here is actually sharp. And I managed to cut the crap out of myself with it. Anyway, so other differences between the Highlander and the Evo 11 is, if you look, the Highlander does not have any scale tools. No toothpick, no tweezers. And the Evo 11 actually does have these. So if you like this knife and you like the size, you like the 85 millimeter size. Now this one is a teeny bit thicker. The scales are thicker. And this is just because I think these are the Evo scales, where they're supposed to be, they're like ergonomically contoured or something. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of that, but what it is if you like this kind of knife, you can check around like eBay and that kind of thing, and you can probably find one of these on there every now and then. Or if you like this, if you like the knife and you really don't care about the exact original version, but or you like the scale tools, you want them instead, you can get the Evo 11. And I'll include links in the description for the Swiss Army Knife wiki page on this if you want more information, and I'll include a link to Amazon if you wanted to get one of these. They're not super expensive, I don't think. I want to say they're like 20 or 25 bucks, but that doesn't sound exactly right. You can check. I doubt they're over 30. I mean, this looks like maybe I'd guess this is a $25 knife. Anyway, so this is the Highlander, the Wenger Highlander, and this happens to be the Serrated Wenger Highlander, which is kind of interesting. So, let me know what you think. How do y'all feel about the older Wengers versus the newer incarnations that Victorinox is making? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's a Swiss Army knife you think I should take a look at, or if there's just a super cool knife that I need to know about, let me know in the comments as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.